Hey, on a good rainy day like this, you want to heat things up, come along and watch this. We fix to cook some hot dogs. Not just regular hot dogs, Cajun hot dogs. Y'all come along and take a ride with us. We're gonna have fun. Y'all, we're gonna throw a couple of these dogs on there. This is some of the New Orleans Johnsonville andouille. I think we're gonna cook about 3 of these right here. Put them over here, let them get tan. I'm gonna throw a little oil down right here. Smear that oil around a little bit. Roll these back and forth. We're gonna throw some Holy Trinity down here. Get that cooking down. Don't need a lot. Y'all, this is gonna be good. All right. We've got about enough of that. We'll wait just a minute, let them dogs heat up. We'll roll them around, let our trinity get cooked down. We're gonna let this cook a few minutes. We'll be right back. It'll be time to build these things up and eat them. The onions are done, the dogs are done. Hey, watch this. I'm fixing to show y'all a cool trick. We're gonna oil this down, grease it up some. Come on around here and grab some cheese. Yeah, cheese. The trick is you want to make this about the size of the bun. So we're going to throw some down right there. A little less right here. Depends how much you want on there. We'll throw one more over here. We need to get some buns, y'all. You got to open these up. Now watch this, y'all. Oh, this is melted. Throw your bun right there on top. Let it stay there a minute. We're going to get another one. Watch this. I'm going to do one more. I think I need all these today. All right, y'all, these are about ready. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna scoop them, put them right there. Oh, woo-hoo. Y'all, we got them looking pretty now. Look at there. Oh, y'all, we gotta get some of this Holy Trinity put on here. I don't want a lot. Some people like a lot. Just a little bit. You want the flavor. Oh, y'all, these are almost ready. They ready to eat, but we got more stuff to do. Gator pickles. You ain't never heard of gator pickles? You gotta get you some, they are good. Well, gator pickle Louisiana thing, it's just, you got all kind of seasonings and stuff in here. It ain't like a regular pickle, I guarantee you that. These are super good. All right, y'all, we ain't through yet. Gotta shook this up some. I'm gonna throw a little mustard down. You can't have hot dogs without mustard. Ketchup. My grandson puts ketchup on everything. I'm talking about everything. He's messy like me. All right, y'all. Ain't that pretty? That looks good enough to eat. We finna tear this up. Y'all, look how that cheese is melted on here. Look. That is some good stuff. I guarantee you that. Get your bites of the pickles. You can taste them. They're hot. They're sweet. A little bit of everything. Y'all. The onions in there. Everything's in there. All right, y'all, these Cajun hot dogs are super good. But y'all leave it in the comments what you put on your hot dog. I want to see what you put on yours. Maybe we'll be using that next time we cook.
Tonight you're cooking with the